Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Today's reading is going to be different, Scorpios. So today I'll be picking few cards for those who are in a connection and few cards for those who are single, guys, Scorpios. So these are the cards for you singles, guys, Scorpios. So we will start with the first set of cards for those who are already in a relationship. So we have Messenger of Water, Nine of Water and Queen of Water. So Scorpios, with these cards, guys, in this connection, you are quite emotional today, guys. Maybe whatever your dreams are, you are moving towards that, and you are happy that this connection is what you have dreamt for yourself. So with this person in this love, you are quite emotionally overwhelmed. You feel happy, contentment, and there is a great attraction and admiration for each other in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you Scorpios, you are simply falling in love with this person. So the intensity of your love for them, your emotions are so strong, just like when you first fell in love with this person. So this person is ruling your heart. You are simply happy to be with them, with this person, guys. And I see a very positive vibration with these cards, guys. So you have happiness, contentment, and that great compatibility with this person. This person may be your twin flame or a soulmate, guys. So that may be the reason for this level of deep connection you have with them, that you share with this person. So with this person, you feel simply out of the world, happy and emotional, and you are healing. Maybe for some of you, if you had that hurt in your heart from your past experiences, you are healing from it, and you feel that all your wishes have been fulfilled today, because you have that sense of completion and you are simply enjoying this time you have with this person, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Scorpios. Let's see what are these cards for those who are single. We have Six of Fire, World, and Sun. So with these cards, guys, for those who are single, you are clear about what you need today in your situation, guys, Scorpios. So what are the dream qualities you need in that person you love? So you have that clarity in your heart. So what works well for you in your love situation, and you have that clear knowledge and some kind of intuition is working in your heart. So, or it may be someone in your situation, it may be someone who is interesting you, someone from your work or in your friend circle, someone who is influencing you in a very good way. So you feel that great attraction towards them, guys, and you are slowly moving towards them. So this person is the reason for things changing so much in your life, guys. So for some of you, you have that attraction, magnetic attraction towards them, some kind of intuition telling you that this may be the person for you guys. And I see that if you are having someone like that in your life, you will be simply happy if you are going to propose to them, guys, because they are going to accept your proposal. So happiness is what I see for your Scorpios, for those who are single. So the person who interests you will also accept your proposal. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is. That is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us. And we can become careless sometimes. We do not, have that attention for how things are going. And we do so many things. We force certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that, we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card for those who have chosen this card, we will see what it is. It is Kyanite. That is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So we can have our own way, and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So we are all, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what is this oracle's guidance. So we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.